Energy of the electron in nth orbit of hydrogen atom is given by En is equal to minus 13.6 upon n square electron volts. The amount of energy needed to transfer electron from first orbit to third orbit is. Now they already have given the formula of energy in a particular state, which is En is equal to minus 13.6 upon n square, and this is 2 in electron volts. Now they are asking, and this is specific for hydrogen atom, right? So this is specific for hydrogen atom they have provided. Now they are asking energy needed to transfer electron from first to third. That means, suppose that this is, let's say, n1 is equal to 1 and this is n2 is equal to third. So we are going from transfer from first orbit to third orbit. That means this kind of transmission is happening. So I can calculate the value of E1. So E1 will be minus 13.1 upon n1 square, which will be minus 13.6 upon 1 square electron volts, or it can be written as 13.6 electron volts. Similarly, E2 can be written as minus 13.6 upon n2 square, which will be minus 13.6 upon 3 square, or this will be 13.6 divided by 9 electron volts. So now I can cancel out. This will be 1 and this will be approximately 5 times, so 1 time, so minus 1.51 electron volts precisely. Correct? Now energy needed delta E is going to be E final minus E initial, or I should say E2 minus E1, right? So now let us put the value. This will be E2 is minus 1.51 minus of 13.6. So this can be written as 13.6 minus 1.51 electron volts. So delta E is going to be 12.09 electron volts. So if we want that electron should go from 1 to 3, then there has to be 12.09 electron volt energy. Okay, so option number 3 has to be the right answer.